All right, this is my service manual. What we're going to do is to install and torque the flywheel back on, placing the flex plate. You'll see me cleaning that back on, and you'll see the torque value reads between 75 to 85 foot-pounds. All right, what I'm going to do is recording this video. This is the back of the 302 engine. I have the metal plate mounted, and I'm going to tighten that first. The bolts are 5/8, so I'm going to torque those down first. I'm going to remove the bolts that I put on the flywheel. Those are 3/4, and then I'm going to mount the flywheel. You'll see right here that I pre-installed the bolts that do the pressure plate. Okay, they're 5/8 as well. And I'm doing that so when I torque it down, I'll be able to put in a wrench to hold that taut. Or I may just simply use an electric gun. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. This is going to require Loctite. All right, so let me set up the camera and go at it. Now, as far as the plate goes, there is a dowel that's right here. You need to have this hole for the starter on the passenger side. So let me torque these down. There's one. Wow. Excuse me. 2, 3, okay, and that's still loose and flimsy, which is good. It's not pressing too hard against the wood. It is starting to get hot today as the garage doors close, but I want to make sure that you have good sound. Right there. Okay, I think I see myself. All right. What you're going to see me do, and I'll let you know just how well this bad torque job went. Now you can see I can spin these relatively easy because there's a flange right there that the flywheel sits on. I also tried to adjust it because engines tend to stop in what they call, I was told, a weak spot, but kind of the same place. And some of those were getting a little ground down. Okay, with that, supposed to use red Loctite that doesn't get dissolved by oh, come on. You gotta love it. You use red Loctite. That's what I got. All right, I'm rather annoyed. I guess those are not symmetrical. I'm not gonna pull some tape to see, but if you look, you can see right there between these two holes, what looks like a circle, which should align with this right here. Right, so I'm going to install this plate on in that orientation to see if it starts, because when I did try and when I got down low and looked, these holes were not clear. Basically, there was blockage there, which is why it wouldn't start. Learn something new. All right, I'm still working this. These are all loose as can be. That one, yep, they're all loose. All right, I'm gonna back some of them out and put in some Loctite. You can see that this is the way the engine was, and you can see that it's tearing into the flywheel. I don't know if I can rotate it 180 degrees to the other side or not, but frankly, I don't care at this point. I just want to get this done and then show you it complete. All right, you should be able to see all 6 of them are in. I did put Loctite on them and tighten them down. Not with the torque wrench, but with that. Okay, now I'm going to continue on. Perhaps my back is telling me to stop.